Hi guys, this is a workout, cleaning, and cooking motivation. So this was me working out, walking on my treadmill, and I've been doing this and some strength training. And also, since it warmed up outside, I've also been walking outside too. But if you need some motivation to get some moving, to get to working out, I hope this can motivate you to work out, to cook, and to clean. So I'm just walking and getting my workout in. I'm also going to be making a turkey burger bowl using my portion control containers. So stay tuned for that at the end of this video. So if you're new here, my name is Ivy. I'm a wife and mom of 4 older kids, and on my channel I like to do cooking, cleaning, all that homemaking stuff, all the things that interest me. So if you like those kind of things, stick around, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell so you don't miss another video, and let's go.
Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather, but I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine, but I get out, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool.
So now I'm straightening up my kitchen, and I usually start cleaning once I get done working out. Lately I just been leaving whatever and get my workout out of the way and then going back to cleaning. Or if we like cook breakfast or whatever and there's dishes, I leave those, get the workout done, and then I come back to the cleaning because I'm putting my workouts before other things right now. So that's what I've been doing. So I'm just cleaning and straightening up the kitchen. So I'm unloading the dishwasher and straightening up the kitchen.
Stronger than I ever been. Pushing the past again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted.
So this turkey burger is so easy to make. You're just going to take some turkey, some ground turkey, and you're going to cook that up. And I just assemble it in the bowl like I would, whatever I would put on my turkey burger, I put it in the bowl. So this is very easy to make. It's very good, very healthy. So this was my lunch for another day. This was not the day that I filmed this video. I added this in because I felt like this video was too short. But this was my lunch for today after my workout. So this is a very good, healthy lunch idea.
He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another course that we can fly with the baseline. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey you. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how.
So for this bowl, you're going to need some lettuce. And you're going to see me look at this like, what is this? What am I going to do with this? Okay, so you're going to chop up your lettuce. And I'm just going to measure it out in these right here, because I was really looking at it and I was like, when I finished putting it together, I was like, this is really, when you put these in these containers, you don't realize how much is in here. So midway eating, I get full pretty quick. So I ended up filling up one of these, but you can do two, whatever you want to do, according to the calories that you're counting or whatever. I don't do macros, I don't count calories and all that kind of stuff, but I do use these as like a guide sometimes. So I put turkey in there, and then I chopped up some tomatoes. I put a little bit of avocado, and then I used some pepperoncini, whatever you call those things, and some mushrooms. And I'm just going to use mustard as my dressing, because, you know, it's just like assembling a hamburger without the bread. So this was my lunch, and I'm just sharing it with you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting me. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.